Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In today's session, we're going to take a quick look at Amazon AppFlow and explore its use cases. What is Amazon AppFlow? Amazon AppFlow is a fully managed integration service that allows you to securely exchange data between SaaS applications like Salesforce and AWS services such as Amazon S3 or Amazon Redshift. For example, you can move contact records from Salesforce into Amazon Redshift or pull support tickets from Zendesk into an S3 bucket. Let's dive into some key features of Amazon AppFlow. Get started quickly. You can set up data flows between a source and destination in just a few minutes without any coding. Keep your data in sync. Run flows on demand or schedule them to keep data synced between your SaaS apps and AWS services. Bring your data together. AppFlow helps aggregate data from multiple sources, making it easier to train your analytics tools and save costs. Track your data. With built-in flow management tools, you can monitor where your data is, when it was moved, and how it's flowing. Ensure security. Data security is a top priority. Your data is encrypted both at rest and in transit. Private data transfers. With AWS PrivateLink integration, AppFlow ensures that your data moves through the AWS infrastructure without using the public internet, reducing potential vulnerabilities. Catalog your data. You can catalog the data transferred to Amazon S3 using AWS Glue Data Catalog, making it easier to discover and use for analytics or machine learning purposes. Optimize data organization. Use partition and aggregation settings to organize your transferred data into partitions and files, optimizing query performance. Custom connectors. Use the Amazon AppFlow Custom Connector SDK to build connectors for data sources that aren't integrated yet. These could be private APIs, on-prem systems, or even other cloud services. The SDKs are available on GitHub. Supported AWS services. Amazon AppFlow integrates with several other AWS services to expand its capabilities. AWS CloudTrail tracks all actions taken in Amazon AppFlow, including API calls from both the console and code. With CloudTrail, you can monitor who accessed AppFlow, what they did, and from where. You can even set up a trail to store these events in an Amazon S3 bucket. This gives you full visibility into what's happening within AppFlow. AWS CloudFormation. AppFlow supports AWS CloudFormation, allowing you to use code or simple text files to automate the provisioning of AppFlow resources alongside the rest of your AWS infrastructure. This way, you can easily create, manage, and configure AppFlow resources in a repeatable and secure manner. Amazon EventBridge. AppFlow integrates with EventBridge, enabling you to route events from sources like Salesforce to various AWS services such as Lambda, step functions, and Simple Queue Service, SQS. You can create rules to trigger specific actions when certain events are captured, helping you automate workflows across different AWS services. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. With IAM, you can securely control who has access to Amazon AppFlow within your organization, ensuring that the right people have the correct permissions. Example use cases. Now, let's look at some use cases to see how Amazon AppFlow can benefit you. Salesforce to Amazon Redshift. You can create a flow that triggers when a new record is created in Salesforce. The flow can calculate the sales potential and then transfer the modified record to an Amazon Redshift table. Slack Conversations Analysis. Set up a flow to transfer conversation data from Slack to Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, or S3 for analysis, either on demand or on a schedule. Zendesk Support Tickets. You can create a flow to transfer tickets with a common case number from Zendesk to Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, or S3 for storage and further analysis. Aggregate data transfer to S3. You can schedule weekly data transfers of up to 100 gigabytes from multiple sources, Salesforce, Marketo, ServiceNow, Zendesk, to Amazon S3, ensuring high performance and low latency transfers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content on cloud technologies. See you in the next video.